Good afternoon, you're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101. And the Phantom 4 Pro V2 is back. Last spring I was out on the Hudson playing around with my Phantom 4 Pro. Got a little bit of footage I want to show you. Just a little clip of some stuff I was playing around out there on the Hudson River. And I've saved it, and I want to bring it for you to see. Sit back and enjoy. Hope you enjoy the flight. The Phantom 4 Pro V2 is back for 2020. The Phantom 4 Pro camera features a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter and an f2.8 aperture. Records 4K 60 for detailed slow motion. That was my time out on the Hudson, and I hope you enjoyed the flight. Please feel free to check out the descriptions below, and also feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time on Phantom Flight 101.